The 21st century is the age of information technologies and boundless possibilities. But scientific progress involves both advantages and disadvantages. The rapid development of industries and transport has aggravated significantly the critical ecological situation on the Earth. The amount of usual substances contained in foodstuffs has decreased drastically, which made their consumption even hazardous for health, while the drinking water turned into a cocktail containing chlorine and other impurities. How does this situation affect our organisms? It is deadly attacked by various bacteria and viruses. Every person possessing good immunity is not protected against the intrusion of bacteria, viruses, and fungi. Just imagine up to 150 different parasites can live in your body, secreting toxins that poison your organism, destroying immunity to cause allergy. The chemical waste in the body provokes permanent fatigue, low working capacity, headache, frequent colds. Over time, the recognized need has appreciated to create technologies that help the body to resist such negative influences. eMedica is an innovative state-of-the-art technology product which would change people's lives around the world. The unique wellness device eMedica is the outcome of long-term scientific research and development. The current method used in the complex operation was developed in the beginning of the century. In 1920, a scientist, Raymond Rife, invented the world's first ultraviolet microscope and micromanipulator using the sophisticated equipment. He managed to see a living virus. He painstakingly identified individual radiation spectrum of each microbe using the properties of spectra absorption. After that, he affected the virus with his own frequency, which caused resonance. The resonance increased frequency radiation, just as two ocean waves intensify each other and merging. Thus, the scientist increased the natural fluctuations until the viruses died. However, the radiation did not cause harm to surrounding tissues in the body and destroys them. These principles form the basis of development of eMedica. Rohira Inc. started working towards correcting cell parameters at the cellular levels, correcting cell voltages with dedicated frequencies, which is the most effective way of healing. We believe our bodies are made of flesh and blood, but everything on this planet, animals, plants, and water, are made of atoms, which emit and receive energy and operate on specific voltages and frequencies. All our tissues, cells, and organs have their own unique electromagnetic field. Viruses and bacteria also work on specific voltages and frequencies. It has been proved that a normal cell voltage is 90 millivolts. Reduced voltage leads to various diseases. Correcting cell voltages with specific voltage and frequencies would be an answer for many problems. These electromagnetic waves are quite safe for humans, as the frequency of parasitic vital functions does not interfere with the frequency of human activity. eMedica protects you from viruses, bacteria, fungi, and parasites. eMedica also helps restore immunity, improve blood circulation, controls diabetes, cholesterol, and improves oxygen saturation levels. We have put together the collections of voltages and frequencies which could be an answer to all your health problems. eMedica is a unique device which would monitor and control on the same platform, which would also maintain the health records using a cloud platform. The health solution for today and tomorrow. eMedica.